Hey everybody, welcome to the kitchen. It is cooking time with Kim, and I am thrilled to bring you to the pantry, where the Pampered Chef unloads delicious flavors, variety, and solutions for your kitchen. Now take a peek up here, and voila, the new spice rack in place with our little sliders where I put in my Tuscan herb chicken seasoning, as well as my chili seasoning. And all of these are our taste bud samples that I've been getting. And today we're featuring the rotisserie seasoning inside of our package. There are so much choices and everything for you waiting in our pantry section for you to check in. So each month I wait for Aaron, our Purolator delivery guy, to come with my Taste Buds subscription. And this month I was really happy and surprised to find Everything Pizza seasoning, which came out early last year. And I've been struggling with what to do with this seasoning. Not anymore, because 9 delicious ideas got delivered to my door, as well as our new Everything Bagel and our rotisserie seasoning. This is Lucy, she's my helper in the kitchen. So tonight we are featuring one of our new Taste Buds recipes, and I am making meatball subs. This is so different because notice no sauce. Rotisserie seasoning inside of the meat mixture, as well as on my peppers and onions. This is all ready to assemble inside of my sub buns. And a little side kick. We've got Dijon mustard and mayo and fresh basil waiting to go on our sub buns. When you're looking for a variety of what to make for supper, Taste Buds is the solution. Every month comes 3 main features, as well as a card with 3 per seasoning, so 9 other ideas on how to use these fantastic seasonings. So when you open your spice cupboard or your spice drawer and there's seasonings that are screaming at you saying use me, eat me, and you keep making the exact same thing with the product, the Taste Buds is the solution. It teaches you what to do with our seasonings, as well as feeding your family with a variety of delicious recipes that are ready in minutes. Taste Bud subscriptions are featured this month at 20% off. Let's talk.